Namaste and hello to each one of you. Welcome back to our channel Tarot by AR. Today I have brought another pick a card reading for you for the month of July. This is going to be a general prediction. So if you don't know how do we do pick a card reading, then in the comment section of the video you will find a screenshot of the piles. You can pause your video for a while and meditate on each pile. I have pile number 1 denoted by your tiger eye, pile number 2 denoted by pyrite, and pile number 3 denoted by black tourmaline. After meditating on each pile for a while, you can select your pile, and in the description box below you can find out the timestamp for the same pile and click on the timestamp. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's start with the pile 1, the tiger eye. So we have Almoria, we have Master Jesus. From the Ascensions we have the Paul the Venetian. From Unicorns we have the Queen of the Unicorns. Then we have Page of Swords, the Star, and the Fool. So basically what I see in the month of July, this is going to be very positive for you. In this month you are going to find out, there will be a lot of ideas coming in. There are new beginnings suggested, as we have the swords, the page of swords, we have the fool. So basically you are going to make something new, you're going to start something new. There is going to be some sort of new beginning in your life. The danger has passed now all the storm is over, and there is going to be more peace, more clarity of thoughts about what you want and what you don't want, about what you are supposed to do. Also we have a page of swords, which shows that page depicts your kid, the child inside you. So make sure whatever ideas you're getting, whatever new ideas you're getting or you're implementing, or if you're starting something new, then probably do your proper groundwork, do proper research before implementing, and proper planning is very important. You need to be cautious and generous with your planning. The month of July seems to be very positive for you. There is nothing negative, nothing you need to worry about. All that which has caused problems in the past is done. So everything is very positive. We have the Queen of Unicorns as well with us. So it says that you're blessed with love, compassion and wisdom. So if you see this, I feel that this month you are just blessed with everything. The universe is guiding you. The universe has opened all the doors for you. You can start whatever you wish to. You can do whatever you wish to. Even the unicorns are guiding you. Then we have Paul the Venetian from the Ascensions. So this says that the great master Paul is Chauhan of the third ray. He lifts people's spirits and sets their soul free to create beauty and inspiration through music and art, and also in practical ways. This card encourages you to communicate your essence by writing, painting, or in any heartfelt manner. Call on Master Paul to help you express your visions, and he will co-create them with you. These visions will hold such light that people will be touched by them, and thereby accelerating the plan for Earth. Paul carries the flame of liberty and is helping to set you free. I see the universe wants you to be free this month. The universe wants you to feel that whatever you desire to do, whatever has caused problems earlier in your life, it's all over now, and you can proceed the way you wish to proceed in life. Then we have Master Jesus, who teaches us about forgiveness. As we all know, he is the God who has taught us a lot of things. He is showing you the path of light, of love and care, affection and forgiveness. You need to forgive people, whatever has happened in the past. Let go of that. Don't hold on to it, and just move forward with, open heart and open hands. Father healing is possible at this time, which means that Master Jesus is also with you, and he is teaching you the way to love life, to love others around you, to live a carefree life. And we have Awakening Presence from Almoria, which says the universe is with you. Wear a cloak of protection and love. So anything you're doing, whatever new you're starting, here is a guide, here is a warning for you, or here is a tip for you. For whatever protection for whatever work you're doing, make sure that you're protected enough No matter what kind of new beginning you are making, do proper research and proper planning before implementing anything, and make sure that you're protected in all senses. So that's all we have for our pile 1. If you resonated, do let us know. Thank you. God bless you, pile 1. And let's start with pile 2. So for pile 2, we have the pyrite. Let's see what do we have for our pile 2. So we have the Shakina, we have Diana, then we have closeness from the unicorns, the Sphinx from the Ascension, we have Six of Pentacles, we have Eight of Swords and Seven of Swords. So basically in the month of July, you're going to feel that you're a lot bounded. You're going to feel that there are a lot of things, maybe could be a person or could be a situation or somebody external trying to make you feel bounded, trying to control you or overpower you. But this is just a perception, and you will feel that you're too blinded by the fear and the anxiety that the complete thing is causing in your mind. And it's just a perception. If you try to, you can definitely come out of it. It is, it is going to look like that it is very difficult to come out of it, but it won't be that difficult, trust me on that. Then we have, since we have the Seven of Swords, I would say that you need to tread carefully, walk very carefully around, because of the people around you. There could be a lot of deception, there could be envy of the people, and they will not have that 100% good, I would say 100% good thoughts for you, and they're not your well-wishers, while they might look like they are your well-wishers. And we have the Six of Swords, Six of Pentacles as well. So it also means that all the difficult phase which you have seen, the hardship through which you are coming, it is over now. Now you're going to be in a very not very, but yes, now you're going to be in a comfortable situation where you can give or help those people who are below you or who don't have what you have. So this month, be more generous with people, but cautious with what you're doing. Don't believe and trust on anybody. If you are feeling that something is disturbing your mental peace and not working out, just take some time out. Just understand that why it is making you feel like this, and how you can change it. Then we have the Sphinx from the Ascension. So basically the Sphinx as energy has always been on earth and watches over us. The high priest Ra brought it from the Atlantis and placed it within the statue of the Sphinx in the Egypt. You receive a charge of God force when you think about it, so relax and accept it now. The Sphinx contains the fifth dimensional records for Earth and the information within the crystal skull. You are invited to visit a tunnel from the Sphinx to Hollow Earth, a portal of wisdom linked to the ascended aspects of Mars. From here, you can radiate peace and oneness throughout the universe. So basically, universe is telling you, and this month you're going to learn some great lessons where you will learn that how do you radiate peace, no matter how hard the situation is or how many challenges are there in your life. Still, you have to be the one who radiates peace, who is not disturbing others because his or her life is disturbed. And we have the unicorns as well. So the unicorn says that the message is of the closeness. So basically your unicorn is telling you that they are closer to you, they are there for you, and they are protecting you and guiding you every moment. Nothing bad can happen to you, and they are dropping you those messages all the time. You need to be aware, you need to be cautious, and you just need to be receptive to the messages they are giving you. Then we have Diana. So basically Diana tells you about your focused intention. Think about what you desire, set your size high, and expect the best possible outcome. So no matter how hard the complete situation looks like to you, how difficult things are for you, you're feeling that you cannot take care of things, or just typically bounded situation you're feeling again, just focus on what you want. What is your desire? Just set your standards high, because we have the Shakina as well. She's also saying the same thing, that unleash your spirits, express your gifts, dance to the sacred rhythm of life. Universe has sent you on this earth for a purpose. You need to see, you need to accept and work towards that purpose. You have a life goal, work towards that life goal. Don't get carried away because of all the negative situations that are happening around you, negative things which are just trying to disturb your mental peace. Dinah is somebody who comes out in the night, and she has a great friendship, great bond with a wild beast, and she's telling you to believe in yourself. No matter how dark it looks like to you, you can do it. If you wish to do it, you can definitely do it. So that's all we have for our pile 2. If you liked the video, do let us know in the comment section below, and if you resonated with the reading, thank you so much guys, do let us know. Welcome back guys. Let's start with the pile 3, the black tourmaline. So for pile 3 we have the holy amethyst, we have Hilarion, we have feather from the unicorns, water from the ascensions, and then we have 10 of swords, we have 7 of cups, and we have 10 of wands. So basically I see in the month of July you're going to feel a lot negative, or I would say in the month of July you will be feeling overburdened, exhausted, as if you have a lot to take care of, you have a lot on your plate to cater, and you're unable to do that, and you're feeling that you can, why do I have to do it only. And this is a time when you can ask for help. You have to understand, asking for help doesn't make you small or weak. In fact, it makes you good enough. It shows you that you have the strength to accept that yes, you can take help from others. You can also be a bit more smart, tap into your abilities of smart work. Always hard work is not going to take you to somewhere, but smart work this time is going to help you definitely. I also see 10 of swords over here, which shows that you are feeling lost. You will feel that you are being backstabbed, or you have been backstabbed by other people. Maybe they have just got their work done, overburdened you with their work as well, and then they did not help you out with your help when you needed the help, or they backstabbed you with something, and you're feeling that now you're standing at the end road. You cannot trust on anybody, things are not working out for you. But this is not the reality. You have to be patient. There are multiple choices you will feel that you have to make. There will be multiple choices from which you need to select this month, and you need to be positive. You need to believe that good things are coming your way, positive things are coming your way.